Okay, this video is for anybody working on a putting the power valves in on a 91 KX125. So what you want to do is get both of these valves in there. Okay, so that means when you put the rod in, you're gonna have to lift this up a little bit, this one too, but it's not that bad. You can probably figure that out. So with this rod pulled out, what the first thing you want to do is to check here with this little dot facing towards you, and then look at that little line in the shaft. All right, they need to be lined up. Do you see it? Right there. See that? Okay. Now that's lined up. So then the next step that you want to take is this valve here, right? Now remember, it's pulled out. You want to get this little piece. So turn this. And line up the dots. So hold on. Like so. The dots are lined up, and this piece is aft, right? So now what we can do is we can put these in, and then drop this piece in like that. So when it's pushed in, this part should be to the left. When it's pulled out, it should be perfectly parallel to the back side. The flat side should be, right? So in, out. So the way that looks when it's in is you got this dot is facing back. And that dot is just right there in the back. So let's put this back in so we can turn it. Okay. And if you look, you can see it's lined up. So now we're going to see what the valves do on the inside. Let's put this back. Okay. Now, with it pushed in, that's what the left-hand side looks like. The right-hand side, same thing. With it pulled out, the right-hand side is open. So is the left hand. Pushed in, the left-hand side closes. Pulled out. Pushed in. That side's closed. And so is that side. Pulled out. They're open. If you look on the inside, pushed in, they're both closed, if you can see that. So this is the right hand side, the one closest to the rod where you can pull it from, right? You pull it, that's it. You push it in, that's it. Pull it out, push it in, pull it out, push it in, pull it out, push it in. The other side, pull it out, push it in, pull it out, push it in. Flip it back over, let's look at it again. That's pulled out, pushed in, pulled out, pushed in, pulled out, pushed in. The other side, pulled out, pushed in, pulled out, pushed in, pulled out, pushed in. Now, let's pull it out. Check our alignments here. 2 pins are hooked up. Drop that back. Check this side. And we can confirm that it's still lined up with the notch. The dot is lined up with the notch. Drop that back, and there it is. Done.